So you have a new iPhone and you want to transfer cellular data to that new iPhone. This is on the assumption that you already have a cellular data subscription on your line before getting the new iPhone. This is easy and there are two ways to go about it. In the first scenario, we're assuming that you have a physical SIM card in your old iPhone. If that's the case, you're going to look for the physical SIM slot on the new iPhone, and in this particular model, it is here. You will need a SIM extractor tool, like a pin, to push in here to open this slot. And then you are going to extract your SIM card from the old iPhone and put it in here. When you do, all you have to do is go into the settings of your iPhone and find Cellular, the menu that says Cellular right there. And then you come here to where it says Cellular Data and you make sure that it is turned on. When it's green like this, it's turned on. When it's white and gray, it's turned off. So you turn it on and you should see a network icon here that tells you LTE or 5G, whichever of the two technologies your carrier is currently running. But once it's displayed up there, it means cellular data is now active on your line in that new iPhone. Now, if you do not have a physical SIM card and what you use is an eSIM, you need to set up that eSIM on the new iPhone. In your settings app, scroll down to Cellular and then scroll down here and you will find Add eSIM. Oh, I almost forgot. When setting up an eSIM, you need Wi-Fi internet access. So I have to connect this to a Wi-Fi network for it to work. We're connected now to a Wi-Fi network. Tap on Add eSIM, set up eSIM. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. So the options are available here. The first one is to transfer from a nearby iPhone. Since you have an existing iPhone from which you're transferring cellular data, you can tap on that. If you have a QR code from your carrier, then take the second option. If you're transferring cellular data or your eSIM from an Android device, tap on the third option. Whichever of the options you tap on, complete the process. And once you get a notification that your eSIM profile has been successfully set up on your phone, you go back to Cellular and make sure again that cellular data is enabled. Once you see it enabled, if you turn off your Wi-Fi, you should again see a network icon that indicates what kind of cellular data your carrier is currently providing, whether it's 4G, LTE, or 5G. That's how to transfer cellular data to a new iPhone. It's pretty simple, nothing complicated. If you did not have any existing cellular data subscription on your network, after moving your physical or eSIM to the new iPhone, simply buy a cellular data subscription from your carrier and you're ready to go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Do like it, do share it. Follow my channel. I look forward to seeing you in other videos.